Let's learn jobs. Every job is important.
Every job is important.
Teacher, scientist, biologist, computer programmer, architect, doctor, nurse, dentist, vet, pharmacist, builder, carpenter, electrician, plumber, mechanic, police officer, firefighter, soldier, postman, pilot, farmer, baker, chef, florist, gardener, businessman, accountant, secretary, cashier, trader, photographer, artist, actor, actress, journalist, driver, guide, fisherman, sailor, coach. What job is this? Write the answer in the comments. Thanks for watching.